Do you ever get to the point where you feel like you're just thrifting to thrift? So I think I'm at that point right now, and I am right here, right now, declaring that this will be my last thrift haul and my last fabric haul for 2024, unless I'm able to use or wear most of these things. I recently went to one of the Goodwill outlet stores where they have those big bins that you have to dig through to find whatever you want to find. So I went to it before and I wasn't really feeling the digging through piles of dusty clothes to look for something to thrift. But this time I got more into it and I actually did find some stuff. So these were in the bins. These shorts are so super cute. For some reason, I'm into florals these days. And this actually goes really well with another shirt that I thrifted in Italy that I showed in a previous video. And so I know it's no longer summertime, but just look at the colors. It's so cute and it fits well. So this is something that I'll be wearing instead of upcycling. The brand is Attention. I don't know. It's 98% cotton, 2% spandex. So not bad. Oh, and the bins were $1.79 per pound for clothes. So I thrifted with my brother. He got a lot more stuff than me and heavier stuff, I think. So I think we spent like $24. So about $14 of pounds of clothes. These pants I got because of the fabric. Again, the floral theme is there. I think it's denim. A lightweight denim. It is 100% cotton. Crazy Horse, a Liz Claiborne company. So I didn't even look at the size because I don't plan on wearing these. I plan on probably making a bag out of this because I really like the pattern, the flowers on it, and it could even be a really cute lining of a bag or it could be a bag itself. So I got that. Another piece that I bought for the fabric are these red, like pleated pants. I don't know what you call it. But anyway, the brand is Julia by Loves. It's a 3X made in China. Probably polyester, but this reminds me of some fabric that a singer that I really like called Cecile McLaurin Salvant. But she wears these really cool clothes that kind of bounce when she moves. So I was hoping that this fabric could be like that and I can make maybe like a short dress out of the fabric and it would have the same effect. This other piece that I got is a swimsuit, one piece, one shoulder. And I thought it was neat. I don't have a swimsuit like this, metallic or like the one piece with the cutout. It is a little revealing. It doesn't have, I think it's a medium. The brand is not up here, but it is a medium. And it has this thing that goes on the other shoulder. So we'll try it on. Maybe if it's not a swimsuit, I could use it as like a bodysuit and wear it with maybe a mini leather skirt or like high-waisted leather pants. I think that'd be a cool look. So I got that. These pants I got also for the material. They're like corduroy. The brand is Ann Taylor Loft, size 8 curvy boot. I probably could wear them, but I don't really wear corduroy. I never have, even when I was a child. But I got because I think this would be a nice fabric for a bag again. Like the outside, texture-wise, durability-wise, it does have some stretch, which I didn't notice before. So there is 2% spandex in there. But I think it'll make a nice, durable bag. This shirt I got because, again, they're leaves, but it's still like a floral vibe and it has a big print, which I really am attracted to, like a bigger than small print type fabric. The greens are so vibrant. And it's just a cotton shirt. Could be used for travel, could be used as like beachside wear, so I'll probably have to wait till next summer to really wear it how I see it. The brand is Panama Jack. It's a large. Not sure if it's a men's cut. It's actually 55% rayon and 45%, 55% linen and 45% rayon. So partly linen. That will be nice. The last thing I got was this jacket / blazer item. The brand is Sigrid Olsen, size 14, mostly acrylic and polyester. And it has, again, a kind of a floral print, but more of a geometric type floral print. It has a nice cuff sleeve detail on there. It's lined. Everything looks pretty good. You know, it has extra buttons in there. It's buttoned up with covered buttons, and the back has a tie, or there's detail in the back where, you know, it can give you a little bit of a shape. So I think that was a successful bin dive at the Goodwill outlets. It's not my preferred thrifting, but I enjoyed it this time. I recently heard about a place in Norfolk, Virginia. It's called the 757 Creative Reuse Center. And they're like the Scrap Be More place that sells donated fabrics and also different art supplies. So I definitely had to check that out when I was down there. And they had a lot of stuff. In addition to the fabric, they also sold books related to crafting. So I did pick up one book, Stitched from the Soul, Slave Quilts from the Antebellum South. So I thought this would be nice to have to learn about the quilting in the South and some examples and people involved with that. This was, I think, $3 that they sold it for. They also had donated sewing machines, well, a couple of those, art supplies, all kinds of different stuff, notions, and things like that. They also have seasonal things, like they had some Halloween decorations for sale. But I'm going to talk about this fabric that I got. So everything there at the time I went was sold by the pound. Fabric was sold $4 a pound. And I ended up spending, I think I bought 6 pounds of fabric. So that would be $24. Yeah, so this, I didn't get a good look at it, but I just love the colors. I went to Georgia Tech, so it's definitely giving Georgia Tech vibes, and it's got the florals. Oh, it's got a little note here. Okay, so they do have the yardage. So when I looked, I didn't see the yard, but they do say it's 2.5 yards. And it's really interesting. So it's very lightweight, kind of see-through, but I think it's cotton. And it has this detail where it's like kind of embroidered with thread and just a random pattern on top of the underlying pattern, which is white with kind of black traced out flowers and yellow details. Wow. That is really nice. This might be one of my favorites that I got that day. So I think this is the right side because this is more vibrant. What do you think I can make with that? It definitely would have to be lined, I think, but a nice sundress. Maybe I'll save it for next summer. Make a really pretty sundress out of this fabric. The next piece of fabric that I got this. It's giving more fall vibes. I love the colors, the kind of neutral tones of it. I don't know what material it is. The note here says High Fashion Fabrics 2002. So maybe it's from that era, but it's pretty opaque. It's got a nice drape to it. I don't think it's cotton. It might be polyester or something like that, but I can see this as like maybe a jacket or even some pants. I don't know. I'll have to measure it and see how much I have to see what I envision for this fabric. This was really interesting. This is a stretch fabric. Again, I'm attracted to colors, but it's not just any regular stretch fabric. It's kind of shiny. It has like a shiny coating to it. So yeah, the coating kind of has a animal or like, yeah, kind of an animal print texture to it. And you kind of hear it when you stretch it. It's two-way stretch. But the underlying colors are kind of neon-like. I don't know. This, I just got it because I thought it was, I've never seen anything like this. This could be like a good swimsuit. Ooh, yes. This would be really neat for a swimsuit. Hopefully, I don't know how to tell if a material is good for a swimsuit, but this seems like something I would like to have as a swimsuit or summer adjacent, maybe a bodycon dress or something like that. So I thought this was really interesting piece of fabric. I got this piece of fabric as this is, I think, some cotton, but if you look closely enough, you may be able to see the pattern. Do you see the pattern? Yes, music notes. So we have the clef here, treble clef. I think these are what, quarter? No, I forgot my music notes. Half notes, quarter notes. Anyway, they're musical symbols, and I just think I'm a musical person. They also have, what do you call those lines? I'm so bad. I need to re-up on my music theory, but they have the lines where you put the notes on as a background. So the music notes are kind of silver, and then the background is black and gray. And I couldn't pass that up. I did used to play the violin, so I used to know all these notes. But right now, I like it. So this could be a bag. This could be used for a quilt or something like that. Again, with the blue, I try to be conscious about picking up plain or solid colors. This seems like a cotton. I love this blue. It's like the right kind of blue. I'd say it's royal blue. That's what I call it, but I love this blue. Just a plain cotton. Maybe it could be used for like wearable muslins, quilting. But yes, I try to get some solid colors that I like. I also love animal print. I got this. This is definitely scrap, so somebody donated this. But it's a very loose, drapey, brown and tan animal print. It's a little see-through, but if it's enough fabric, I would love to make a shirt out of this, a shell or like a camisole. This is like, it looks kind of real. I don't know what animal, but it's giving reality in terms of animal print. Again, a solid color, but this is stretch velvet. So stretchy in one way more than the other. Very, very nice. A deep purple is a beautiful color. Again, definitely looking to do a dress with this if I have enough yardage. And I also got some in brown. So they had not a lot, but a couple of different colors of these. So I picked up the brown because I'm brown. And then I picked up the purple. And so from these two, maybe I'll try to do a color blocking. Does brown and purple go together? I don't think so. So maybe not color blocking, but something with stretch velvet will come out, I hope, this year before winter is over, because I think that would be a good fabric to use for winter. And then I just got this little piece of quilted fabric. Again, thinking about a bag, maybe a little crossbody bag or fanny pack or something like that. Finally, I was looking in the notions and I picked up this little packet of D-rings. Might come in useful when making bags. So that is all of my fabric that I got at the reuse center. And again, I'm thinking, unless I traveling is different, but if I'm just in this area, I will not be looking with my eyes for more fabric or thrifting for 2024.